guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's me, Leon Style. So for today's video, it's just a get ready with me video that I will show to you how I do my everyday makeup, or if just I'm gonna go out and do some quick errands, this is how I do my makeup. So, but before anything else, for beginners out there, or if you're kind of want to be into makeup, and if you don't have idea how to get makeups, I have something to share with you where I get my makeup. So I always usually get 80% of my makeup at Sephora, but this time I find this app that is very helpful. So recently, you know, because it's very hot here at Georgia and I don't want to put heavy makeup, I just want to look natural, like parang no makeup look, something like that. So I use this app and it's really helpful, and all of the ladies out there can try this app that you can download on your phone. All you have to do is simply search for your beauty taste, or pick your taste. Pick your taste means you can search for all your concerns. There's an option that you can search all your concerns, like you want, for example, you want a foundation. So if you want oil free, if you want blurring effect, if you want just a natural look, light, or you want a buildable one, just click whatever it is, and then you can have this selection of all this skin tint, all the foundation that's been reviewed and then tested by all these influencer or all these beauty guru that, you know, you can give it a try, and it will bring you straight to Sephora and you can shop there. So if you're curious how to use this glam app, keep on watching. So I'll show you how I do mine using this app. So all I have to do basically is very easy. So you download the app and you will get this logo for the app, and then you click that one and it will bring you to this page. Yeah, so let's just wait a couple of seconds, and then all you have to do is to search, taste search like that, and then it will bring you to this one. There's a pick, keyword, and say. So I don't want to say because I don't want to talk on the phone, so I'll just choose the pick like that, and it bring you to this page. So the category is the face, so you see the face, so that one is our category. And then I want to put tinted moisturizer, so this one. So face, tinted moisturizer at the bottom like that, and then you should show the result like that. So there you go. This is all your recommendation. You have 410 products because of tinted moisturizer that available at Sephora. So what I did is I picked the Fenty Beauty. So I picked that one, so I will click that one and then it will bring you to this page. Boom. So that's the Fenty Beauty. So it's the Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Ayan. And then what I did is and just click that one, and then it will bring you to Sephora like that. So it's very easy, and from there you can do all your shopping, and then you can go back to Glam app again. And then if you have no idea about what kind of makeup you want to pick for you, they have a lot of recommendations. Anyway, that's how I get the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is her Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Ayan. So here it is. So this Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint, I don't know if I pronounce it correctly now. This retails for $29.50 and it comes with 25 shades. So I got the shade of shade number 10, which is the medium with warm yellow undertone, and this bottle is 32 ml. So let's open it. I never used this yet. This is my first time. So try ko siya kasi usually when you use blurring tint, this is just like very light coverage, so it can look natural or no makeup look. So we'll see. Alright, so this is how the bottle look like. Very cute. And this is lightweight, a buildable light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth. So the coverage is light and the finish is natural. So we'll see. So I will use my sponge. So let's wet our sponge with this hyaluronic setting mist of ColourPop. So shake. Ayan, i-shake natin. So I will put a drop in there. Woo. And then, so I already primed pala my face using the Wet n Wild. This is the Impossible Primer base. So this is what I use. Putting my primer. So this is very lightweight. So para talaga siyang wala lang. So let's do the other one. I said it's buildable, but parang masyado talaga siyang light. So super, parang there's no coverage. So very, very light lang ang coverage nito. So if you wanna get a natural look, you always use those tinted skin moisturizer. Kasi talagang very, very light lang ang finish. Parang wala nga eh. Parang it only moisturizes your skin with just a little bit of coverage. Very, very little coverage. So let's build a little bit kung magbi-build siya. So, ayan. So hanggang dyan lang talaga ang kaya niyang i-build. Hindi na siya masyadong nabi-build. Kasi talagang very, very light lang ang kanyang coverage. Ayan. Okay. So that's how this Fenty Beauty look on my skin. Na-intrigue ako sa, what do you call that? Sa coverage nito because the way I saw it to the other na nag-review nito is parang maganda yung coverage. But if you try it yourself, it's very, very light coverage. Siguro it depends na lang on the shade anyway. So, let's see. I'll just gonna use this Neutrogena concealer. So, ayan. So let's put a little bit there and blend this. Okay. So far it looks good. It looks so natural. Your face don't look heavy. So what I will do is I will set my under eye using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. So ayan siya. So I'm just gonna use a brush. So gonna dip my brush and ayan, drop the excess and put it under my eye. My nose and here. So as you can see, nag-matte na siya. I didn't even set the outer perimeter of my face because gagamit ako ng cream blush kaya hindi ako naglagay muna. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. So I don't really put heavy eyeshadow when I do my everyday look. So, but I want the eyeshadow a little bit to hold. So I'm gonna put a small amount and blend it, of course. And with the same brush that I use under my eye, I'm gonna use same powder to just set that eyeshadow primer. Ayan. So that's it. And then I will use this ColourPop Citrus Freeze. So I just got this and I want to try. So this is the shade. So I'm gonna use the very light. So using my brush, just tap that and put that all over my lid. So I really like a coral kind of orange shadow because it's not really heavy and it's very good on the summer look. So yeah. Alright, and then I'm gonna use this, the darker shade, which is the shade So Tart. And I'm just gonna dip my brush in there, tap the excess, and now I'm just gonna put it at the end of my lid and kind of pulling it inwards like that, but just halfway, not all the way. Then I'm just gonna use my clean brush to blend that all in. And then I'll go back to my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer to put a little cut crease. Alright, and then just using my pinky, I'm just gonna dip my finger on this shade. And then I'm just gonna pat that area where I put my eyeshadow primer. Then I'm gonna use this brown again to go back on the edge and blend that in. And now for the brows, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the shade medium brown. And if I just want my brows to be more precise, I use this NYX or NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. Yeah. And now that my brows are done, I'm just gonna use this liquid eyeliner from ColourPop, which is black color, and then I'm gonna pop some lashes. So and guys, I got my lashes and the eyeliner, so mag-blush na tayo. So for the blush, I'm gonna use this Prayer Cream blush. So this is super blendable, lightwear, and buildable. Ayan. I'm just gonna use the same sponge but the clean side. So just gonna dab my sponge in there and dab it to the upper part of my cheeks. So ayan, and then that's the time I'm gonna powder my face using the same part. So okay, I messed it up. So I break my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Oh, no. But still, I think I'll just gonna use my brush and then dip this. Sayang naman, so use the excess and powder my whole face. Ayan. Ang ganda pa naman itong Charlotte Tilbury, guys. This is very, like, it claims airbrush finish. So maganda. I will do a very light contour on my nose using this ColourPop from Wild Collection. This is the Jet Set. Like that. Para mukhang sa ilong natin. Ayan. So when you want your nose to be a little bit longer, so don't put anything on the tip of your nose. Just drag it like that all the way to your brows. But when your nose is a little bit longer and you want it to look shorter, you put here, something here, and at the bottom. Ganon. Then going back to the eyeshadow I used from ColourPop, I'm gonna use this lighter shade as a highlighter using my brush, Sigma brush. I'm just gonna put here. A little bit on my nose and the Cupid's bow. Ganyan. Then, pwede rin natin lagyan dyan sa inyong eyebrows to make it more kinda summery look. Pag gusto nyo lang medyo highlighted yung inyong T-zone, that's how you do it. So, as you can see, hindi ako nag-eyeliner. I didn't put anything at the bottom just to make it simple para hindi masyadong heavy yung eyes. Kaya daanin lang sa contact lens. My contact lens is from just Kira. Ayan. And then, of course, to complete our look, I'm gonna put a lipstick, a very, very light lipstick from Milani. So I'll get this too. So I'm gonna put the lighter shade first and then I'm gonna put the darker in the middle. So if you want to know what shade is this is the number 1 Lavish shade from Milani. This is the Amore Satin Matte. Ayan. So once it dries a little bit, I'm gonna put this same, it's the Amore Satin Matte number 9, which is the velvet velour, something like that. So ayan, I'm gonna put that in the middle, and then I'm just gonna use my pinky to diffuse that color. So para lang siyang mag-darken ng konti kasi very light yung nilagay natin. So yan. And then of course, like I always do, we're gonna finish our look with the setting spray. For today, I'm gonna use the Murphy setting spray, which is the continuous setting spray. And let's give it a shake. And then spray. Oof! Ang bango. Ayan. And then, let it dry. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng pamaypay. So, I always have this mini fan that I dry my setting spray. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, this is how I do my makeup if I go out every day. Kung mabilis ang eras mag-shopping, ng mabilisan, may errands na gagawin, mag-grocery, or may bibilin. So, ganito talaga. Pinakasimple na to. Charot! Ayan. So, ganyan. So, as you can see, very light. And I like for the Fenty Beauty, in fairness naman, this is my first time to use it. Nice naman ang result sa aking face. It's not full coverage foundation. It's very light. It's not gonna cover your imperfection or your whatever you want to cover. But if you want it to be just the everyday look, light look, natural look, this is the answer. So this is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint yan. So it's a skin tint moisturizer. So it's really good kasi parang nagkakaroon ng glow effect. So as you can see, hindi naman natakpan yung aking mga imperfection. Ayan yung aking parang pimple mark. But still, maganda. When you put your makeup, it doesn't matter kung meron siya nakikitang content flaws because it's you. So it's okay. It's okay not to be perfect, you know? Because nobody's perfect. At ang makeup naman, it's not to change your physical appearance. It's just to enhance your look. So it gives you more confidence and boost up your self-esteem if you wanna be presentable or look nice as, you know, when you go outside. So yun lang. So if you're looking for a natural look and you want to achieve just a lightweight coverage, try Fenty Beauty Skin Tint Moisturizer. This is really nice. I like it though. See? And maganda ang result. So, and of course, try the Glam app, which is where I got this. So try Glam app because it's very helpful, it's very useful, especially if you're beginners and you want to be into makeup, you don't have any ideas. Glam app is the answer to your question. It will help you a lot, and it has like 1,000 gazillion recommendations for different makeups that you want to purchase. And Sephora, we all know they got everything. So I hope you like this look. And if you did enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!